paper. Blue litmus paper. Firstly, I blend purple cabbage. And take an A4 paper, soak it for 15 minutes. And then I take out it and make it dry for 1 hour. And then after that it will dry and I cut it into strips. Red litmus paper. Firstly, I take turmeric powder and pure water, and I mix them both together. It becomes to turmeric water. Later on, I make an A4 paper soaked in the turmeric water, and then after that, for 15 minutes I make them soak, and then I make them to dry for 1 hour. After that, I make soap water, and then I dip the turmeric A4 paper in the soap water. Later on, it changes to red color, and then I cut them into stripes and make them dry again, and red litmus paper will come. So this is how I did my litmus paper. Without wasting our time, now let's go for the test. Before that, I'm going to tell you how can we realize that is it acid or alkaline or neutral. Okay, if it's acid, blue litmus paper will turn to red color and red litmus paper will remain in red. If it's alkaline, red litmus paper will change to blue and blue litmus paper will remain its color. If it's neutral, blue litmus paper would not change color and red litmus paper also would not change color. Okay, now let's go. Okay, before that I'm going to tell you what are the things I have prepared for you. Okay. This is lime juice. This is black coffee. This is pure water, normal water. This is sanitizer. This is sugar solution. And this is baking soda water. You can see the soda down here, right? And this is toilet cleaner. I mix with normal water. Okay. If the solutions are liquid, then only the litmus paper will take the correct. Now, firstly, I'm going to. Okay, first I'm going to take pure water. I'm going to dip in the red litmus paper. Oh, it didn't change color. There. Now blue litmus paper. This also didn't change color. So this is count as neutral. So now this is sanitizer. I'm going to take a red litmus paper, dip in. Oh, red litmus paper did not change color. Keep it here. Now I'm going to take blue litmus paper. Blue litmus paper got change color. Keep it here. Okay, next. So it's on the sanitizer, it counts as acid.